oceans are part of the life support system of our entire planet. And a good example to really justify that is coral reefs. Now, we see coral reefs as being beautiful, but they also are very important structure that protect the land from storms, from really strong waves. And if those coral reefs aren't there, not only are we losing those animals that need that coral reef, but we're also losing that valuable structure that protects the land that's nearby. I think parents can really encourage their kids with curiosity. We have the technology now to Google something if we want to understand what an animal is, how it lives, where it lives, and using the technology to find out more and making a game out of it. My favorite 3 marine animals would be number 1, the epaulet shark, number 2, the tuna, and number 3, the Pacific salmon.